What's up, you guys? Khiem here, and welcome to the first episode of Khiem's Kitchen. And I really appreciate you guys watching it because I seriously have no idea what I'm doing. Anyways, for this first episode, I'm going to teach you guys something simple, something basic, but also something rather quite delicious. I'm going to teach you guys how to make skirt steak with chimichurri sauce. Skirt steak is a lean cut of meat that is easy to make. Just season it with salt and pepper and throw it on the grill, or throw it on a cast iron when it's searing hot and cook it for 2 minutes on each side, and boom, you're done. That's it. And chimichurri sauce is an herbaceous garlicky sauce from Argentina and Uruguay that was just gonna elevate the flavor profile of the steak. So yeah, let's get started, shall we? So yeah, what you have right here is a nice skirt steak. It's rather quite big, so later on I have to cut it in half to fit it in my cast iron skillet. But for now, this is the whole piece. And as you can see right here, it's a pretty thin slab of meat with very little fat on it. Unfortunately, the fat there are on it can be quite thick and rubbery and might not render down properly. So I would recommend you cutting the thicker portion of it. In addition, there are this membrane that sometimes cover a portion of the meat, and it should have a very shiny and reflective coloring to it, and that's called silverback. And the reason why you don't want that on it, and you should try to cut as much of it, is it gives your meat a weird rubbery texture, and it really makes it hard for your seasoning and your oil to penetrate and marinate your meat. So I would highly recommend that if you do one thing, definitely cut the silverback. The fat you can leave on, but I wouldn't recommend it. You're honestly not cooking the meat for that long, so larger cuts of fat won't have time to properly render. Yeah, so that's it. Let me show you. So I'm just gonna show you guys a quick process of what I'm cutting and how I season it. It's just a simple salt and pepper seasoning. And before I throw it on the grill or even throw it on the cast iron, what I like to do is coat it with oil. But for now, just season it with salt and pepper, and I'll just leave it to the side for now. Yeah, that's basically it. So while my skirt steak is marinating in the salt and pepper mixture, I'm gonna set my oven to 500 degrees and throw my cast iron in there. And the reason why I want to do that before I leave it on the stove is to really heat up my cast iron and speed up the process of cooking. And whatever, 510, good enough. So while the steak is marinating and the cast iron is heating up, let's go ahead and make our chimichurri sauce. So what are the components of a chimichurri sauce? It's mostly parsley, garlic, and if you want some heat, jalapeños or serrano peppers. I also like to put in cilantro. I think it's another herbaceous element that is a nice complement to the parsley. There's also a little bit of oregano. So those are the herbaceous element to the sauce. And for the liquid element, it's mostly olive oil and an acid. Some people recommend red wine vinegar. I like using a bit of lemon. So that's gonna be my improvised chimichurri sauce. So for the first step of chimichurri sauce, what I would recommend you guys do, in all honesty, is to take your herbs and to just roughly chop them. And one of the reasons why I would recommend this is later on you need to crush the herbs in a mortar and pestle. This way it helps grind out all the essential oils and all the herbs and then the garlic, and it blends all the flavor together nicely. Mix it in with everyone else. Right now, I'm just chopping up the lemon, and first things first, I would recommend you grind the herbs together. You're gonna require a mortar and pestle for this, but if you don't have one, there's so many other ways to grind your herbs and vegetables. Honestly, you can just throw it in a blender and then just crush it later on with a spoon to mix in all the herbs and the oils and all the flavors and components. My peppers and my herbs, and just slowly layer them together. So what I have right here now, I'm just gonna slowly grind them together. So once you have the herbs a little bit pressed down, what I recommend is you take a little bit of extra olive oil and then slowly pour it in. And the reason why I don't want you to add too much is that by adding too much, you can actually oversaturate it, and when you hit the mortar and pestle, what that's gonna do is splash oil on yourself and on your shirt. And you don't really want that. You don't want any splashing on yourself. Add a little bit of lemon. Add a little bit more oil. Now that the cast iron has been heated up in the oven for about 30 minutes now to an hour, what you could do, take the cast iron skillet out. I like to use an oil with a high smoking point. So for me, it's grapeseed oil, or you can use canola oil. Quickly put it on your cast iron, take a paper towel, and then rub it all over. Once it starts smoking, you know it's ready. And then I'm gonna throw in the first skirt steak. So like I said, you're cooking it for about 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes on each side, not for that long. As you can tell, the steak is nice and pink in the middle. So what I simply did was cook the steak for a minute longer on each side. You know, I didn't get the nice char on the outside, but it's perfectly cooked on the inside. And the chimichurri sauce, well, let's give it a test. Dude, it's delicious. It's amazing. Not as pretty as my other steaks or the other skirt steaks that I cooked before, but still just as good. Anyways, guys, that's basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and let me know what you guys want me to make in the next episode. Just to be clear, I'm still trying to figure out my camera setup and my kitchen setup and even the shooting style of this video or this channel. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below and let me know if you have any thoughts or questions. Anyways, I appreciate you guys watching this. Until next time at Khiem's Kitchen. Babe, you want to try it?